Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you want to have the exact percentage of the battery in the status bar, all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Right here you have to tap on the battery, and as you can see in this section you've got the option battery percentage, which is of course in my case turned on. Probably you've got it turned off, so you've got only the battery indicator, and all you have to do is to simply tap on it. And as you can see, actually immediately right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the battery usage. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.